Hi everyone! Welcome to the Power of Change. Can you believe we're on episode 9 already? We come to you again from our home, so if you hear a dog bark or a husband walk by, we'll just let him go. This week is a very special and powerful week for us. We get to honor the moms and the women of the world with a special Mother's Day episode. And it is brought to you by me, Reverend Amy Oberly.
And me, Janelle and Leah Frickland. As Amy said, we get to honor our beautiful mothers. And we're so excited for this episode. And we're so grateful for this opportunity to be the teachers in this episode because Hope is off this week, just enjoying being a beautiful mother and grandmother. And she's just such an incredible teacher that has taught us so much. So her as a mother, as a grandmother, as our spirit mom, and as many of your spirit moms too that are watching. I know a lot of you, if not all of you, have been greatly impacted by hearing her teaching. So hope we all honor you so deeply with all of our hearts, and we love you so much. So thank you for this opportunity. And Amy and I are so excited to be here with you guys. And happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers and all of the women in the whole entire world. We love you so much. So enjoy this episode. Hello everybody, and welcome to the Hope Interfaith Center, from our homes to your home. We just want to start out this episode with you just focusing on your breath and just taking a deep breath and just focus and be present in this moment. And just no matter what distractions are going on around you, just be present here now, because truly this moment is all that matters, and your time and your energy and what you focus on is so very important. So we hope you just put all of your focus and attention, because you might have received the goosebumps as we're talking, or some sort of energy, but you are exactly in the right place at the right time. You are so perfectly aligned with exactly where you are meant to be. And so during this episode, we're going to be talking about how you are a powerful storm and how you're becoming the most powerful storm. Because it's don't weather the storm, become the storm. You are the storm. And with Mother's Day coming up too, we just wanted to honor all of the powerful women out there. Every single woman that's watching this, we honor you. You are so powerful and you are the storm. But a very powerful woman in our life is our mother. So our mom was so incredible, so powerful. She was unconditional love, and she was our greatest teacher and our best friend, and she was such an incredible storm.
Yes, she was. We were so grateful for every moment that we had with her. One of the things that we got to do with her, even though it wasn't her favorite thing to do, we tried to make it a lot of fun by going with her doctor appointments. And then in the last few years, she was in the hospital a little bit more frequently. And she, from the time we were young, said, "You were born a storm." She made us feel like the most powerful kids in the entire world, especially her women, her daughters. And so whenever we're going through anything really difficult, we just kind of call that in and say, like, what is our storm right now? What is our power? And how can we get through this hard time? One of the things that stands out to me more than anything is when we were at the doctor with her, she had wonderful doctors helping. And this one day, this doctor came in who she had never met before and just said, "You have 19 days to live." Just like that. Not a lot of emotion or care or compassion was given. That's what he left her with. And so that was probably one of the only times we've ever seen her cry or, just feel that emotion for a long time. It wasn't like her. And so that was really hard. And then it was like all of a sudden she said, no, that's not going to be my diagnosis. I'm going to keep going. And so she lived almost 2 years after that. 2 years after that. And that is that perseverance. Your storm can be so many different things. But one of the things that we truly learned from her is don't weather the storm, become it. You don't have to take that diagnosis and believe that. You can write your own. You can be perseverant and you can just get through it just as she said, no, I will live longer than 19 days. And we take that lesson with us through so many areas of our life.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And we can use that right now with the COVID-19 that we're going through. We can choose to receive the diagnosis of oh, we're stuck inside, or, oh, like my family's driving me crazy. Or we can use this diagnosis, we can use this lesson, we can turn it around and turn it into a beautiful storm. Not every storm has to be a bad storm. There are good storms, there are powerful storms. So whether it's a diagnosis, whether it's an attitude, whether it's positive thinking, whether it's a relationship with your mother, because not all people are lucky enough to have a relationship like we had, Amy, with our mom. I just feel so incredibly blessed to have had that beautiful chance to live this life with her, and also to learn the storm from her, because as you said, not everyone perseveres like she did. A lot of people could have died in that by day 19. They could have said, okay, I'll agree to that, but no. Mom said, no, I will not. I will persevere, because she had hope, and she had hope for the future. And one of the greatest gifts that she gave us throughout our whole life was believing in something better for ourselves, because until her dying breath, until the day she died, she had hope for a better future. She had hope for a better life for her, for us, for everybody, for the entire world. And no matter how sick our mom got, she never once complained. She was so, even in her dying days when she was her sickest, she never complained, because she completely understood the process of life. She was so strong-willed, so full of hope, that even when she knew that she was dying, she knew something great was ahead of her. And that's how she showed up. She showed up as love every day. She showed up as kindness every day. And Amy and I, we always say this in our classes, every smile that we smile is dedicated to our mother. Every laugh is dedicated to our mother. Every ounce of joy and ounce of goodness we have in our life is dedicated to our mother. We just moved into this beautiful home. And our mom loved living on the lake too. And we would always drive around and look at these beautiful lake homes. And it was after we got settled in here, and I just had this knowing and this peace that mom had helped us get here, that this is not only my dream home, but it was her dream home. So even after they do transition and our mothers do leave this earth, or our fathers, or whoever it is, after they do transition and leave this earth, they are still a powerful storm. They are still so powerful, and their love is probably even more powerful than it was when they were here on earth.
And even if you don't have that great relationship with your mom, or whether it's your mom or another wonderful, powerful woman in your life, then create that for yourself. I think that's one of the big things is, if you get inspired by doing something and something is not right, then you can stay away from it and just really, really create that storm for yourself. Say, when I'm a mom, or if I become a mom, or if I am a good role model, what will that look like for other women? Or what can I teach them that I wish I've always wanted to be taught? And become that. That is powerful. That is a storm too.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And like we teach in our classes, Amy, too, we always say, like, close your eyes and just imagine a powerful woman in your life. Like, it can be Oprah, it can be one of your spiritual teachers, it can be your powerful mother. But they are trailblazers. They have blazed a trail for us. So they have created this storm, and we are part of that storm. We are like, they are the storm, and we are the storm that they have created as well. We are just as powerful as they are. And they have gone along and they have brought us with them. Like Hope has gone along with the Hope Interfaith Center, and now she's bringing us with her. And together it creates this immense, powerful energy. And that's inside of all of us. We all have this immense, powerful energy inside of us. That we are calling the storm today, and so just by acknowledging the powerful women that have gone before us, we're acknowledging the power inside of us. By acknowledging their kindness, we're acknowledging our kindness. By acknowledging our grandmother's love and kindness, where, what's in her is inside of us. Her gifts got passed down to us and through our mom. So it's a beautiful, beautiful thing when you just think about and honor the powerful women that have gone before us. So our mom has been gone for 4.5 years now, and we miss her like crazy every day, just as you guys miss your beautiful mothers or grandmothers like crazy every day. So I was in the shower one day, and for some reason I just felt this deep and profound feeling of, oh, I miss my mom. Especially right now in this COVID-19, I think I've caught myself saying, gosh, I miss my mom. I just want my mom. But one day I was in the shower, and I just had this profound feeling of, oh, I miss my mom. I miss her love, and I miss her kindness, because she was so full of love and so kind. And I just felt mom with me right there in that moment. And she said, be love and be kind. And that is how you can honor me. Be love and be kind. And so I just took that and I bring that into the world, because some of the most powerful storms are love and our kindness. And you know that the most powerful part of the storm is the eye of the storm, when it is calm and when it is quiet and when it is still. And you guys have the most powerful part of the storm right inside of you.
That was so beautiful. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I think that's something that everyone feels and everyone knows. So thank you. What a beautiful way to honor mom. And we pray that all of you beautiful women listening, and even you men, that you just take time to honor yourself and just honor the women around you. And if you are a soon-to-be mama too, just know that you are safe and protected right now, and that there are so many women cheering you on. The beautiful women who have lost their moms. We know that this can be a hard day, but just know that you are loved. You are so deeply loved. And for those women who don't have a great relationship with their mom, know that you are loved too, and that you are enough just the way that you are. and that you can create everything and anything that you have ever wanted just by being that. And for you beautiful grandmothers who have amazing grandchildren, we pray that they bless you and bless you and bless you for your entire life, and then even after that. And for you beautiful mamas who are longing to be a mom, now is your time, and you are already a mom. And we send you blessings of fertility and joy. We know how hard it is. So we honor each and every one of you, not only on this Mother's Day, but every day. And we thank you for supporting Janelle and I and Hope at the Hope Interfaith Center. We are so deeply grateful, and we are so thankful for your time today. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. We love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this episode. From our heart to your hearts, we are so grateful, and we just hope that you receive all of the love that is out in this entire world for you, and just receive the love of your mom, receive the love of your grandmother, receive the love of your auntie, of your best girlfriend, of your sister. Just receive the love and honor all of the women that are out there. And again, we just honor you so much and thank you for your time on this special Mother's Day week, and perhaps day if you're watching it on this day.
Yes, thank you. So if you like this episode, we would love to ask you to share it with someone that it could really mean a lot to them as well. This is a very, very wonderful time of healing, and a lot of people just need to hear that little bit of hope that yes, they are the storm too. So please feel free to pass this on. And from the Hope Interfaith Center, from us to you, we namaste you and we see the light within you.
Namaste. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video, and until then, you are the power in this change. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video for more episodes and inspiration. And head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us along for more up-to-date information, events, and powerful information. Thanks for watching.